this video, I'll show you how to buy a DoorDash gift card. Well, the first thing that you need to do here is just go ahead and go to your profile, which is right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find gift cards. Now, once you have it located, just go ahead and tap on it and you will be redirected to the gift cards section. All right. If you want a digital gift card, you can go ahead and tap on e-gift card right here. And if you want a physical gift card, if you want to send a physical gift card, all right, just tap on physical right here. So as you can see here, it is not available for me. I'm just going to go ahead and select e-gift card and just wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we have a ton of options. You can buy DoorDash e-gift cards or Starbucks e-gift cards as well. And for Roblox, as you can see here, we have a PlayStation Store and some other stuffs. We have Xbox as well. Now, if you want to buy a gift card, just go ahead and tap on this specific gift card. For example, this one right here, which is a DoorDash gift card. I'm going to tap on it. Now here you'll have custom designs. All right, basically just two. You can either choose this one or this one. Now go ahead and choose the amount. I'll say, for example, you wanted to put in a custom amount. Just got to tap on custom, for example, $200 right here. Once that's done, just hit on back on your keyboard. Now, who's this gift for? Just go ahead and add a nickname. For example, my wife right here, Rhea. Now, who's this gift from? From you, of course. Now, add a message. Thank you. Please accept my gift. That's it. All right. And here, as you can see, we have the redemption instructions. So basically, all my wife's going to do is just to redeem on DoorDash by tapping the link sent after checkout. You'll have to send the link, or my wife's going to enter the gift card PIN. And once that's done, just go ahead and hit on checkout. Just hit on yes. And here, as you can see, we have the total. If you have promo codes, go ahead and put that in here. If not, just tap on back. And it says here, when should we send this? Now, after checkout, if you want to schedule it for later, go ahead and tap on this option. Down here, how should we send this? Via text or email? All right. If you got the email, tap on email right here and tap the person's email. All right, recipient's email. Once done, if you want to, you can change the payment method right here. As you can see, we have a ton of options right here. Now going back, once you're done with everything, just go ahead and place the order. And after that, the person's going to receive either email or text from DoorDash where he or she can follow the DoorDash instructions on how to redeem it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.